Hello everybody, this is going to be my version of chickpea hash, and the seasonings that we'll be using today are 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my special seasoning, a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, a 1/4 cup of green bell, a 1/4 cup of red bell, a 1/4 cup of red onion. I had some leftover grilled portobello mushroom, and I had 2 cups of chickpeas, soaked and cooked, that I already started mashing, by the way, and got a cup of spinach that I also had left over. And here we are with all of the ingredients, so let's get started. So here I am mashing up the chickpeas with my trusty masher there, and here's how it looks when it's all done. Now turn on the flame, high heat, pan nice and hot, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm going to add my red bell, green bell, I'm going to add my red onion, mix it all around, everybody in the party. Got the house smelling all good. Now I'm going to add those mushrooms that I had left over. Can't waste anything. Now we add the star of the show, the chickpeas. Throw that in there. Gather it all together. Now I'm going to add all my seasonings. Stir it all around. Now everybody's really at the party. But wait, the spinach. That leftover spinach, can't forget that. Throw that in there, toss it all around. And just so it doesn't dry out, I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup of water. Yeah, nice. Now we got the steam going. Cover the pan, reduce the flame to low, and let that steam just do its thing for about 7 minutes. And we wait. Here we are, the finished product. And you want to serve that with some sliced tomatoes and sliced avocado. Now remember, this is my version of chickpea hash. Feel free to make it your own with your favorite ingredients. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.